Hey YouTube, this is Idel Car Fix, and we got 2006 Dodge Charger 5.7, and the issue of the car basically keep dying, idle, and die. And so the issue here is clean that throttle body. Throttle body, this is what it looked like inside there. That's why I cleaned just a little bit out of it. I haven't got there yet. Just barely got in there. This is really dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use carpet cleaner and to clean it really well. So basically you push one of the doors up this position and you clean the top and the bottom while you're holding the door with a rag. Do not use paper because you can break inside and then you can't get it out. Use a rag, and this red rags are good because they're rough and they'll really clean the surface really well. So that's if you have an idle issue, a fluctuating idle, or if you having trouble keep the car idling. Sometime if it's not the sensor, if you don't have a code for, we don't have a code for the sensor, no codes at all in the computer. And what I'm looking at right now, this throttle body, we're gonna clean this throttle body and we're gonna give it a shot. That should take care of it. Okay, I had same issues with another one, and we take care of that by cleaning the throttle body. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. If you have any question, I can answer it to you as soon as I can. Thank you.